Ryan, thanks for agreeing to do the interview. So, wanted to reflect on your time at the art school. You went to art school in Manchester, graduated in 99.
99 I graduated. I think that everyone in this country should go to art school for 1 year. I think an art foundation should be compulsory for everyone in this country.
Yeah.
It should be like national service in the army, just 1 year. Because I don't think art schools make artists. What art schools do is that they create creative firefighters and creative writers and creative mechanics and creative teachers. And there's something about the experience of having a year's free time to discover yourself that makes better humans.
Yeah.
And you know, I think if everyone had been to art school for 1 year, this country would be such a great place to live. Going to art school for me is the greatest privilege of my life, I think. I knew all the cleaners by name because I was there at the door and they'd unlock the door for me.
Yeah.
And I'd be the last person when they were cleaning up at night. I'd be the last person in the studio. And that's not a brag, it's just to say that I really like making art. And you know, there was little point in me sitting in the student union talking rubbish, which I do as well, when I could have been in the studios making art. And I knew I only had 3 years. I was certain that after 3 years I'd go back to working in the carpet shop. So I didn't really want to waste a minute of it. I think that the value of art and creativity for everyone, not just for people who go to art school, you know, the clothes that we're all wearing, that's a creative act. People, when they arrange ornaments on their windowsill, when you make food and you present it on the table for your parents or your friends that come around, it's a creative act. Being creative is an innate human instinct. It's in everyone. You know, like going to the museum is like taking your brain to the gym, like it's a muscle. The more that you work these muscles, your imagination and your creativity, the better you will be, the better you'll feel, the better people around you will communicate with you and feel, and the better society will be in a huge collective way. So this mistrust that we have in Britain, but fed from government in creativity, is very illogical, very irrational really. My advice to people thinking about going to art school is trust the thing that makes you happy. Don't trust trying to create insurance policies for your future. Because if you're happy, you don't need an insurance policy. Don't choose the course of your life on the idea that you need to make an important financial contribution to society. It's nonsense. The best contribution you can make to society or your family or the country is to make yourself happy.
Great advice.
Be happy.